This is Harish here. Welcome to DB2 LUW tips and tricks video tutorial part 72. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about how DB2 get instance command displays incorrect instance name. Eventually, we will also learn how to switch between multiple instances. It is applicable in Unix, Linux, AX based environments. This slide talks about the problem scenario and the solution. So the problem scenario is we want to demonstrate how DB2 get instance command displays incorrect instance name. In a typical scenario, it will not happen. Like for example, if there are two instances DB2 inst1 and DB2 inst2, you log in as DB2 inst1 and then you do all the activities related to instance 1. Similarly, you log in as DB2 inst2 and do all the activities for inst2 instance. So in that kind of a scenario, the error will not be reproduced. This will occur if there is a single OS user with sysADM authority managing multiple instances. So what happens under this situation is the user has to switch between different instances back and forth using the execution of the DB2 profile file appropriately. So if for instance you want to manage DB2 inst1 instance, then you log in as a user with sysADM authority, then you execute the DB2 profile file under home DB2 inst1 sqllib DB2 profile. Similarly, when you want to switch instance, you re-execute this DB2 profile file of DB2 inst2 directory. So that's how you switch the instance. So now when you switch the instance, if you do so without terminating the backend DB2 process, right, then you will find that the DB2 get instance command displays incorrect instance name. So the solution is to use DB2 terminate before switching the instance, or you can exit as the sysADM user can exit from the login shell, and again he can do another login and set the profile file of the instance you want it to manage. Right. So let us just get into a demonstration so that it will be somewhat clear. So here actually I am having su-db2 inst1. So I am having two instances, db2 inst1 and db2 inst2. Okay, and I am going to show you like it is configured in such a way that look at sysADM group, it is db2 iadm1. So so when I say db2 get instance, right, so it's going to show me obviously instance 1, so I will exit. So similarly there is su-db2 inst2, so db2 inst2 is the password, and this instance is also set up in same way. So a user under the group db2 iadm1 should be able to manage both the instances. That is the concept. Okay, so now I have shown you both the instances. So let me log in as db2 admin. So this user is like a sysADM authority user. Okay, he can manage both the instances. Now how he is going to manage? So you want to associate first, right? So db2 inst1 like that. I am setting the profile file like that. So when I say now db2 get instance, so you will see that it is inst1, right? So now I want to switch. So if I want to switch, I'll say like this, right? So now let us go and say db2. It is still inst1, right? So let me start the instance. Okay. So you will be thinking that it is going to start inst1, right? Typically we think that, but it is not so, right? Because it will start only db2 inst2. Okay, see it is the command db2 get instance only is not properly interpreting the instance attachment. Otherwise the environment is all set properly only. So now you can see ps-eaf pipe grep -i db2 sysc. See here db2 sysc is running under db2 inst2, not inst1, but it will say that when you say db2 get instance, see that, right? So this is a problem. So you just do a db2 terminate, then you run the db2 get instance command. It's all switched properly, right? I can even now stop also. So it is once you execute the db2 profile file, the environment is set properly, but it's just the db2 get instance command is not recognizing it in a proper way. That's all. Hope this information was useful to you. Please subscribe to my channel DB2 LUW Academy. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, bye bye.